Now we will do concatenation. So we can see in the last part that we printed out the user's name. Now say I want to say hi to this user. I could say print quotation marks hi and then print the username. This will show my name, which can be Ty, and then it will print out hi Ty. But you can see here that they are in two different lines, and that's not always what we want. So here's how to fix that. If we delete this, we can put in the front over here, instead of username, quotation marks hi, a comma, and then a space. Then a space outside of the quotation marks, plus, and then quotation, and then username with that capital. Now this will print out hi Ethan. This space is important because Python doesn't automatically add that space. So if I were to delete that space and just have hi comma, this would be hi Ethan without a space, and that just looks very junky and compact when it shouldn't. So always include a space at the end of your quotation marks. Now that we have concatenation down, we can move on to the next step.